morning, senior kids. Once again, I'm here with yet another class, and this is our EVS class. And so far, we had learned about my neighborhood with different types of houses, people who involved in building houses, and what are the buildings that we see nearby. Okay, and this whole month, we are going to learn something new, something about nature. And what's the theme? Nature changes. Nature changes. And what is the sub-theme? The concept? Our professionals. We are going to learn about our professionals. Do you know who are professionals? Professionals comes under different groups. Okay, such as some are community helpers, some are medical professionals, some are border protectors, some are Senate field workers. So there are so many different topics that we are going to learn this whole month. Today we are going to start the class with community helpers. So what do you think? What is community helpers? Community helpers means the people who do jobs and service in the community that helps the people living in the community are community helpers. Okay, so where do we live? We live in a society. Society means where there are so many people live, and that society is called community. And there are some people, those who work in the society to help us. They do their job in order to help us because we live in the community, and they help in the they work in the community to help us. Okay, such as we see sweepers every day. What do the sweepers do? Sweepers, they come early in the morning, they clean all the areas, the places where do we live. We see police officer. Whom the police officer works? Police officer works for the public. They protects, the guards our city. Okay, then we see milkman. What does the milkman do? Milkman do his job, but for the people who lives in the community. Milkman brings us milk. Postman. Postman brings us letter. Fireman. Fireman puts off the fire. Okay, next teacher. Teacher. What does teacher do? Teacher helps us to learn. Okay, librarian. What does librarian do? Librarian helps to find the books. So these are the community helpers. They work in the community to help us only. Okay. Till last year we were in the school. So do you know who are the community helpers in the school? We see teacher. Okay, teacher. Every day you come to school, you see your teacher. What does teacher do? Teacher teaches you letters, numbers, concepts. They take classes. So they are community helpers. Okay. Next we see driver. What does driver do? Driver helps you to come to school safely and go back to home safely. Next we see nanny mas. What does nanny mas do? Every day nanny mas come to the school early and they clean the classes. While going home, before going home, they clean up all the classes, the whole schools. They wipe the benches, they keep the school neat, they even wash us restrooms, washrooms, everything. So they are all community helpers. Used to have lunch. Who used to cook the food? It's a chef. So chef is also a community helper. They cook the food for us. Okay. So they are all community helpers. So today I am going to show you some community helpers and how do they help us in the community. First one is firefighter, or we call fireman. So what does the fireman do? Firemen are very brave. They puts off the fire. If there are some fire accidents, what does they do? They come with the fire engine and they take out their hose pipe and they puts off the fire. Can you see them? Yes. Next comes the teacher. What does the teachers do? Teacher, they teaches us, they helps us to learn. What do they use? They use the boards, chalk paste, books. Okay. Next we see sweepers. Sweepers, what does the sweepers do? Sweepers keeps our city clean. They keeps our city clean. How? By cleaning them, by grooming them. So they have the broomstick in their hand. What do? They clean it out. Next we see librarian. If we go to library, there will be a person that helps us to find the book. So librarian helps us to find the book. We see milkman. Every day milkman comes to our house, isn't it? They brings us milk. Okay. Next we see postman. Postman. What is the job of postman? Postman brings us letter. Postman brings us letter. Gardener. We see gardener. If you have a big garden, if we have garden in the society, who maintains the garden? It's a gardener. So what does gardener do? Gardener waters the plant and makes it bloom. Okay. So this is the work of these community helpers. So we had seen some community helpers. Even we do have watchmen in some of the houses. We have watchmen in our city, in our areas. So what do? They guard our house. Okay, children. So these are the community helpers. Now we are going to sing a rhyme, and with that rhyme we are going to end up this class. Okay. Shall we start the rhyme? First one, fireman. Fireman is so brave. Fireman is so brave. Hey, how, what do you know? The fireman is so brave. Firemen are so brave, isn't it? Next, watchman. Watchman watches the house. Watchman watches the house. Hey, how, what do you know? The watchman watches the house. Teacher. Teacher helps us learn. Teacher helps us learn. Hey, how, what do you know? The teacher helps us learn. Librarian. Librarian helps find a book. Librarian helps find a book. Hey, how, what do you know? The librarian helps find a book. Sweeper. Sweeper keeps a city clean. Sweeper keeps a city clean. Hey, how, what do you know? The sweeper keeps our city clean. Postman. Postman brings us letter. Postman brings us letter. Hey, how, what do you know? The postman brings us letter. Milkman. Milkman gives us milk. The milkman gives us milk. Hey, how, what do you know? The milkman gives us milk. Gardener. Gardener waters a plant and makes it bloom. Hey, how, what do you know? The gardener waters a plant and makes it bloom. Okay, so children, I hope that you have enjoyed this rhyme. So what are you waiting for? Stand up and do practice this rhyme. Play the video again, practice this. And with this, I am ending up the class. Today we had started a new concept, our professional, and today we had learnt about some community helpers. Hope you enjoyed today's class. Until I meet you in the next day, it's your Randy saying bye and take care.